Customers have come to expect the impossible. They want everything right now, tomorrow, as soon as possible. And with the reliability of a Milltronics machine, half of these machines run lights out 5-6 days a week. The main industries we serve are automotive and aerospace. Those are two industries that demand tight tolerances and fast deliveries. And our goal here at XL Pattern Shop is to underpromise and overdeliver.
We not only do foundry tooling for one foundry, we're across a broad scope of the industry, from large parts to small parts to green sand, the air set, the permanent mold, aerospace, clear down to commercial. So we see a lot of things, and the knowledge we have in aerospace, which is probably the most difficult foundry tooling you build, that comes back to the commercial side and makes that really easy. But we implement a lot of things we learn by doing the complicated stuff into the simple stuff. It makes the simple stuff a lot better by using that broad foundry knowledge. It just makes us a better shop.
We started looking for a new CNC machine because we were having to spin parts 180 on the same side. And it was just costing us extra labor and time that we just didn't have. So the bigger envelope of the 60/30 really opened up the size of parts we can make and one holding. Our main material that we process would be aluminum, but we also get into 4140 heat treat, 17.4 pH, some 303 stainless, 304 stainless, some urethane tooling boards, kind of a little bit of everything. As far as quality and finish go, we've got a 1997 ML17 that is still putting out perfect parts, great surface finish, all the way up to the 2020 60/30 inline. And the newer inlines are amazing as far as harmonics that the belt used to induce into the spindle. You don't get that anymore. It's less wear and tear on everything because you don't have any side load from the belt, and put out parts that don't need benched, they don't need touched. We'll get it off the mill, wipe it down, box it up, and ship them. We continue to use Milltronics because of the service that we've gotten over the last 20+ years of buying them. It's their willingness to work with you, and their service from Advanced Machine is unmatched. They've always treated us right, and how user-friendly the interface is compared to any other machine manufacturers. The conversational programming's really nice if you don't have access to CAD/CAM software. It's pretty intuitive as far as, you know, to write CAN cycles and stuff like that. So our future here at XL is we're gonna start producing our own line of foundry supplies. We're getting some poor quality cast match plates and stuff that we're just tired of dealing with it. So we're gonna turn around and make it ourselves. That's what I see the future of XL being, is also a pattern shop, but also a foundry supply company.